Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove clip in Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now the video is on your timeline track. Tap onto the edit button right here. Then scroll to your right. And here you can find the option of split. Now tap on it. Then again scroll to your right and find the clip where you want to delete and tap on to split. Now we can see the video has been splitted to one clip. Now scroll to your right and here you can find the option of delete. Then simply tap on it. Here you can find the clip has been removed from your video. And that's it. This is how you can remove the clip from your video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.